Mosquitoes are everywhere this time of year. Oh no! Are you okay? Oh no, you were buried in the snow. You could suffer hypomalaria fever. That's dangerous, you know. Are you all right? I came as soon as I saw you were buried in the snow. Welcome to nature in the wild. This is the wild tundra. It's very dangerous out here. You should stick with me. Now, and here in the frigid north, anything could happen. This time of year, mosquitoes like to come out and eat you alive. But luckily, we know where they hide. There's no mosquito there, is there? Anyway, today we're hunting the elusive snowball. I found this creature was sentinel when it bit me in the back of the head and tried to give me a brain freeze. And when I turned around and said, "Who threw that?" no one replied. So, we're going out to go find this mess of beast, but it will take a long time. Let's go. There's where the cow was. It's dead now. I ate him. This tree, as you can see, that's proof there's a snowball nearby. We must go. Now here, it's very dangerous, and I'm starving because I've been here for like 30 minutes. So we must find some food. There's not much to eat in the winter, but if you know where to look, you can see the nectar of life. Good stuff. Now let's go. Dang it, it's cold. Now, we must continue on our journey. Everything looks the same here because of the trees. We must continue on though. Ow! This is prickly. You see that? It's the snowball. Let's go a little bit more. I see it's buried. It was hiding. We have caught it. It's amazing to imagine. It pretends like it's not alive when it's found. It's a brand new creature. This is scientific discovery. We must wake him up. Wake up! There he goes! Follow him! He escaped. Well, this has been nature in the wild. We'll get him next time. See you later in the tundra. That's a nice tree.